First class children, good morning. Very good morning to all. So yesterday we had stopped till the topic about what? Yes, what is that topic? Name of the topic, keeping the mouth clean. Okay, let me continue with that topic. And yesterday I had explained about the what did the children, how they are when they are playing in the park, what they should do as soon as after they coming to the home, isn't it? How to keep your body clean. These are all the instructions I had shown yesterday class, isn't it? Now, and I told you about that, how to keep your mouth clean, in which way, and how many times you should have to brush your teeth. Okay, then I told you how to brush your teeth, when you have to brush your teeth, isn't it? These all you have to follow. Now let me continue. Now listen here, why I am saying that you have to brush your teeth for twice a day. Do you know that? Yes, because you may get bad breath when you talks, all the cavities whatever you ate before day, the next day, without, if suppose if you are not brushing your teeth in the night time, when you are talking with your parents or with your siblings, అన్న కానీ అక్క వాళ్ళతో మాట్లాడినప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది, నోరు నుంచి చాలా డర్టీ స్మెల్ వస్తుంది. ఎందుకు అవుతుంది ఇట్లా? రాత్రి పూట మీరు బెడ్ టైంలో మీరు బ్రష్ చేయలేకుండా పండుకుంటారు కదా, దానివల్ల ఇవన్నీ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ అవుతుంది. ఓకే చిల్డ్రన్, సో ప్లీజ్ బ్రష్ యువర్ టీత్ twice a day, isn't it? This thing I told you yesterday also. Now today let me continue about this same topic. Some few points are there. Let me continue. The brushing, that is they brush the teeth to remove the who is they brush the teeth here, Tina and Ravi. You can take Tina and Ravi. Okay children, Tina and Ravi, they brush the teeth to remove the food pieces. Okay, what is this now? What is this picture of mouth? Okay, here this is a teeth. Okay, they brush the teeth to remove the food pieces. They brush the every morning and every night. Every time they used to brush the teeth. How many times? Twice a day. Who is brushing the teeth here? Here, that is Tina and Ravi. So brush your teeth every morning and night. Okay children, so this is the way. The next one, keeping healthy. Now what is the next topic is keeping healthy. Keeping healthy. Okay, here is a list of things you could be yourself, how to keep yourself healthy children. The next one, sleep early every night, isn't it? Are you doing children, or you are sleeping early in the night or late at night? Yes, now schools are not there, so what is your plan? What is going on at home? I don't know with the along with the parents, they are watching the TV or they are sitting with the mobiles or tabs. I doesn't know, I don't have all these issues, right? So what is a good habit children? Etla undali meerandaru tondar night lo pandukovali, because you are all very small children. You should not wait for your parents or with your siblings. Okay, అన్న కానీ అక్క వాళ్ళు పండుకోలే కదా, వాళ్ళకి చదవడం ఉంటుంది, స్టడీస్ ఉండొచ్చు, వాళ్ళు ఎక్కడైనా బయటికి పోవచ్చు. Okay, you should not, you are very small children. What is your duty? You have to go to bed very early. Okay, so please children, sleep early every night. Okay, exactly 8:30 9 o'clock you should be on bed children. What is the time, sleeping time? 8:30 or 9 p.m. Okay, the next one, wake up early in the morning. Yes, what is that? Okay, sleeping early in the night is very good habit, and wake up early in the morning is very good habit. That is also very good habit. And if you wake up late in the morning, is it a good habit? No teacher, it's very bad habit. So what to do? Yes, you have to wake up early in the morning. What is your timing teacher? And my timing is different. I can't differ my timing and your timing children. And what about your timing? You tell me now. Yes, your timing is 7 a.m. right? 6 or 7 a.m. If you get up at 6 a.m, no issues. If you get up at 7 o'clock, we are very happy that my children all get up at 7 a.m. right? So this is a very good habit. Wake up early in the morning and go to bed early in the night. Okay, this is the 2 rules. It's very important rule. Please follow children. ఇవన్నీ చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్ రూల్స్, మీరు అందరూ డైలీ పాటించుకోవాలి, ఫాలో చేయండి ఇలా. ఓకే, the next one, you need 8 hours sleep in the night time. How many hours you have to sleep? Not more than 8 hours. Okay children, you have to sleep daily how many hours? 8 hours. Okay, 8 hours మీరు కంటిన్యూ మీకు స్లీప్ నిద్ర ఉండాలి. అది లేకుండా మేల్కోవడము 12 o'clock నైట్ మళ్ళీ మార్నింగ్ లేట్గా లేవడము అన్నీ అక్కడ ఏమవుతుంది, బ్రేక్ఫాస్ట్ లంచ్ డిన్నర్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్ విల్ గెట్ మెస్డ్ అప్. సో ప్లీజ్ చిల్డ్రన్, go to bed early in the night, wake up early in the morning, go with a systematic way. Okay children, the next one, but eat a healthy breakfast every morning. Don't eat in the as soon as you will wake up from the bed, you will take the bath, then again you will sit and eat rice. No, a bowl of rice you will eat. No children, it's very bad habit. Keep avoiding the eating habit of what, rice in the morning. So what is the healthy breakfast, what you should have to eat? Yes, you can take any dry fruits or fruits, okay, bread and jam, or take the boiled egg, bread and omelette, or roti with curry. You can go for this type of diet in the morning, and avoid taking what, rice in the morning. Don't eat early in the morning. As soon as you get up from the bed, after taking a glass of milk, okay, and you keep the habit of drinking a milk also children, okay, then after drinking the milk what you should do, you have to go for the healthy breakfast, and avoid what, eating rice in the morning, okay. Don't eat any oily food or rice. Don't use this all diet in the morning. Eat all the things cooked at home. Yes, don't say to your mama, I won't eat this vegetable, that vegetables, I won't eat this type of fruits, I don't like. Please, you should not say like that, okay. సో మా అమ్మ ఏది పెడితే కూడా వండి పెడితే అవి సైలెంట్గా మీరు తినడమే. అవన్నీ హెల్తీ ఫుడే పెడతారు మమ్మీ, అవునా. గ్రీన్ లీఫ్ వెజిటబుల్ పెట్టచ్చు, ఆకుకూరలు అన్నం కానీ, ఏది పప్పు అన్నం కానీ, చారన్నం కానీ, వెజిటబుల్స్ కూరలు వండి పెడితే మమ్మీ ఇస్తుంది కదా, ఇచ్చినప్పుడు దాన్ని మంచిగా ప్రేమగా మీరు అందరు కూర్చొని తినడం మీది డ్యూటీ, ఓకే. అండ్ డోంట్ ట్రబుల్ యువర్ పేరెంట్స్ వైల్ ఈటింగ్ డ్యూరింగ్ లంచ్ ఆర్ డ్యూరింగ్ dinner time. So eat healthy breakfast and eat healthy lunch too, okay children. The next one, drink clean water. Yes teacher, we are taking we are taking daily we are drinking very clean water, but in which way clean water? Yes, you have to take the filter water. Drink always filter water, boiled water, okay. Tell your mama to boil the water. Now this pandemic situation is going on, isn't it? You have heard this corona all, isn't it? And I don't know how many children are very safe at home. Are you all following these rules? See, first of all, here you have to keep, this is the all related to your this all one type of problems, diseases, okay. మనకి వ్యాధులు ఎందుకు వస్తుంది ఇలాంటి ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ అంటే మన బాడీని శుభ్రంగా పెట్టుకోకుండా ఉంటే ఇవన్నీ మనకి ఎఫెక్ట్ అవుతుంది, ఓకే చిల్డ్రన్. మనం ఎందుకు ఇంట్లో ఉన్నాము ఇప్పుడు ఇన్ని రోజు స్కూల్కి పోకుండా, అర్థమవుతుందా? ఎంత పెద్ద పనిష్మెంట్ చూసారా మీకు అందరికీ టీచర్స్కి, పిల్లలకి అందరికి ఒక పెద్ద పనిష్మెంట్. ఎందుకు? బికాస్ ఇఫ్ సమ్ పీపుల్ దే నెవర్ go for the bath, they never take the bath, they never keep the body clean, so these all diseases will come to our place, okay children. ఇవన్నీ ఎందుకు ఎఫెక్ట్ అవుతుంది అర్థమవుతుంది ఇప్పుడు. సో మనకు అందరికి ఇప్పుడు అందరికీ ప్రాబ్లమే కదా, ఒక్కరు చేసిన ప్రాబ్లంకి అందరికీ ఇప్పుడు సఫర్ అవుతున్నాం, ఇజంట్ ఇట్? సో మనం చిన్నపిల్లలు, ఓకే, మనం పెద్దవాళ్ళు కానీ చిన్నపిల్లలు అందరూ నీట్నెస్ మెయింటైన్ చేయాలి. కీప్ యువర్ బాడీ ఆల్వేస్ క్లీన్ అండ్ నీట్. దిస్ ఇస్ ద థింగ్ వీఆర్ లెర్నింగ్ ఫ్రమ్ దిస్ లెసన్, ఓకే. ద నెక్స్ట్ వన్, and one more thing I told you. So here we have to wake up early in the morning, and the early going to the bed, isn't it, night time. This also I had shown the difference. And the one thing, you have to take the very good breakfast in the morning. During lunch time also, whatever the parents they are providing the lunch, you have to go with that good lunch, okay. The next one, we eat all the things that cooked at home, isn't it? The next one, watch TV only for a short time. If you didn't watch TV also, it's not an issue, okay. So for a long time don't watch TV, and don't keep in front of your mobiles or tabs in front of your place and watching those things, okay. And don't take stretch time to watch anything, either if you are using tab or mobiles or television, okay. Otherwise what happens, your eyes will get problem, okay. So that is the issue they were saying. So watch TV only for a some time, not for a long time children. Next, keep your home always neat and tidy. Yes, always how to keep your home neat and tidy or dirty? Yes, no teacher, we are keeping our home very neat nowadays, isn't it? Okay, please always maintain this type of habit, okay children. Next, go out to a park to play. You should not play at home. Where you should have to go? To a park. But now this is not the right situation to play in the park. You can play at home any indoor games. Okay, you can play any indoor games, but not any outdoor game. This is not the right situation to play. But as actually where you should have to play? You have to play in the park, not in the home. Okay. The next one, eat well. Our rules are 4. What is that? What is the first rule? What I want to say for you children? Eat well. Okay. Then sleep well. Those 4 rules are very important children. Sleep well, play well, keep clean. Isn't it? Play well and keep clean. These are the things should has to be done by home small children. My children always they should have to follow all those 4 rules children. Okay. So a clean body is a healthy body. To keep your healthy body you have to follow all those things. What is that first rule? Eat well. Manchi tinali. Sleep well. Manchi nidra povali. 8 hours nidra povadam. Okay. And play well. Manchi aadukovali. And keep your body always clean. And studies also. Okay. This is about we are talking about the body care. So I had given all the 4 rules. I don't think teacher no studies. No. Studies are there. Studies also one of the part. Okay. After when you follow all the 4 rules, automatically your mind will goes for the studies. You will be very fresh while studying a part. Okay. The next one. We should keep ourselves clean and healthy. Always keep your body clean and healthy. If we remember that eat well, sleep well, play well and keep clean, definitely we can be always healthy. We can always, if you follow all those 4 rules, we always be what? Very healthy and fit. Okay. So follow all the 4 rules and keep your body fit and healthy children. Okay. Now the next one is what? That now tomorrow I am going to give the hard words. I am going to give you the hard words and question answers, fill in the blanks, all objective type questions. I won't dump in one day. I will give only few bits. Okay. So let me start with the hard words children. Today I had completed my lesson. The lesson number 8, looking after the body. I hope this class is very clear for my children. This session is very clear. Yesterday class and today's class, you listen the class twice and thrice and try to understand this class. Okay, you have to try to understand whatever the teacher had explained, in which way teacher had explained. Slowly you listen the class and try to understand it. Then only you can go for the hard words. Okay, now teacher will give you the hard words and the next class. In the next class, I'll give you the hard words. Okay, be ready with the science class. So thank you children. Be safe.